Number 1. Armenia became the 104th member of which international organization? Correct answer. C. International Solar Alliance. Explanation. Armenia joined the International Solar Alliance, reinforcing its commitment to sustainable energy solutions. Number 2. What is the name of Uber's exclusive two-wheeler ride service for women in Bengaluru? Correct answer. C. Moto Women. Explanation. Uber launched Moto Women, a pilot ride service in Bengaluru, exclusively for female riders with female drivers. Number 3. Which state became the first in India to fully adopt the government e-marketplace GEM platform? Correct answer. C. Uttar Pradesh. Explanation. Uttar Pradesh became the first state to fully adopt the GEM platform for transparent and efficient public procurement. Number 4. What is the name of India's indigenous antibiotic developed after 30 years? Correct answer. B. Nafithromycin. Explanation. Nafithromycin, India's first indigenous macrolide antibiotic, was developed to combat antimicrobial resistance. Number 5. Which country launched the world's first self-driving satellite? Correct answer. C. China. Explanation. China launched the world's first self-driving satellite, marking a milestone in its space technology advancements. Number 6. Which Bollywood director won the National Kishore Kumar Award 2023? Correct answer. C. Rajkumar Hirani. Explanation. Rajkumar Hirani was honored with the National Kishore Kumar Award 2023 for his contribution to Indian cinema. Number 7. Which company launched Shield, a fraud protection plan for digital transactions? Correct answer. C. BharatPe. Explanation. BharatPe introduced Shield, a fraud protection plan covering digital transaction frauds up to 5,000 rupees. Number 8. The 11th edition of Slynex 2024 was a joint naval exercise between India and which country? Correct answer. C. Sri Lanka. Explanation. Slynex 2024, the Sri Lanka-India naval exercise, was held to strengthen maritime cooperation. Number 9. Which actress was awarded the prestigious Turner Prize 2024? Correct answer. C. Jaslene Kaur. Explanation. Indian origin Scottish artist Jaslene Kaur won the Turner Prize 2024 for her exhibition Alter Alter. Number 10. Which Indian port achieved the fastest turnaround time of 26 hours in 2023-24? Correct answer. C. Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Explanation. Jawaharlal Nehru Port recorded the best turnaround time of 26 hours, improving efficiency in maritime logistics. Number 11. Which initiative was launched to enhance logistics education for the Indian Navy? Correct answer. B. Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalayat. Explanation. Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya signed an MOU with the Indian Navy to enhance logistics education and training. Number 12. Which Indian film qualified for the Oscars 2025? Correct answer. C. Sunflowers were the first ones to know. Explanation. The Canada short film, Sunflowers Were the First Ones to Know, qualified for the Oscars in the live-action short film category. Number 13. Who won the Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace, Disarmament and Development 2024? Correct answer. B. Michelle Bachelet. Explanation. Former Chilean President Michelle Bachelet was awarded the Indira Gandhi Prize for her contributions to human rights and social development. Number 14. What is the name of the indigenous AI project launched in India to create generative AI models in Indian languages? Correct answer. Or B. Bharat Gen Project. Explanation. The Bharat Gen project, implemented by IIT Bombay, is India's first government-supported initiative for developing generative AI in Indian languages. Number 15. What was Cambridge Dictionary's word of the year 2024? Correct answer. C. Manifest. Explanation. Manifest was chosen as Cambridge Dictionary's word of the year, reflecting its increased usage in self-help and social media discussions. Number 16. Which organization imposed a 213.14 crore rupee penalty on Meta for abusing its market dominance? Correct answer. C. Competition Commission of India. Explanation. The CCI fined Meta for updating WhatsApp's privacy policy in a way that compromised user autonomy. Number 17. Which country became the first European nation to join the Trans-Pacific Partnership (CPTP)? Correct answer: Shakti Session C, United Kingdom. Explanation: the UK became the first non-founding European member to join the Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership (CPTP). Number 18. What is the name of India's national logistics data sharing platform? Correct answer: A. Unified Logistics Interface Platform. Explanation: ULIP enables industry stakeholders to access logistics related data from various government systems, improving supply chain efficiency. Number 19. Which major highway safety initiative was launched by NHA? Correct answer: OCDCs. B. Rajmarg Sati. Explanation: NHAE launched Rajmarg Sati, a modernized highway patrolling initiative aimed at enhancing road safety on national highways. Number 20. Which major Indian institution ranked highest in the 2025 QS World University Sustainability Rankings? Correct answer: C. IIT Delhi. Explanation: IIT Delhi secured the top spot among Indian institutions in the QS Sustainability Rankings, achieving a global rank of 171. 21. Which Indian Film Festival awarded the Golden Peacock for Best Film to Toxic? Correct answer: C. International Film Festival of India, IFFI 2024. Explanation: the Lithuanian film Toxic won the Golden Peacock for Best Film at the 2024 International Film Festival of India (IFFI) in Goa. Thank you. Something exciting is coming soon. Are you ready? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. See you next time.